Right, hi there. So today we're going to be taking a look at the BlitzWolf Roome Smart Nightlight. Now this sample was sent to me by Banggood.com to take a look at and see what I think. The base here is made from aluminium as well as the top, and then the rest is opaque plastic and seems to be of good quality. Here's the base that the lamp sits in, and it has an aluminium bezel with a USB port on, and then the two pins are which interact with the bottom of the lamp to charge. Here, plugging the USB cable in. The lamp will only go round one way. Here's the BlitzWolf app. This is for iOS. You can also get it for Android. Use it to turn the lamp on or off, and also can be used to use the dimmer function as well. The app also has other settings as well. Here's my wooden gazebo which I made just recently, and I've also been using it in here. It's not too bright, but it's definitely bright enough that you could read by it, and it'd also be good if you was camping in a tent. Also an emergency lamp in case the power goes out, and could be used as a bedside lamp. To turn the lamp on with the power button, you just press and hold and it will go to full brightness, and then if you just press and hold again it will turn the brightness down and then go off. You can stop at any time and have it at whatever brightness that you want. You can also put it on full brightness and then just press the button quickly and it will go on or off. It's quite simple to use and it seems to be quite decent. The quality looks to be good. It also has this strap, so you can hang it on just about anything really, and it also sits upright nicely. I do like the clasp idea, so you can hang it inside a closet or over a rail or something. So this here is another BlitzWolf product which I purchased I think 2 years ago. I did make a review on it. If you go in my playlists you'll probably find it, or I'll put a link somewhere. And this has been very good and it still works absolutely fine. So they do make quality products from what I can see. And this is waterproof as well. Handy little emergency light. So yeah, that's about it really. So I'd just like to say thanks for watching. I'll put links in the description to the lamp that I've got here. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.